I do look a bit funny because I want to show you how I cut my lace on my human hair wigs. So I have prepared my wig already. So what I've done is I just pulled back all the hair and put it in a pony at the back so that the majority of the hair is back. And then you will, or you may have some fly away hairs that I just then clip back so I don't accidentally cut them off. So lovely everyday style, really soft hair, great length for every day. Lots of styling options for this one. So, but first things first. So you have the lace here. So look how sheer this first of all looks. You can hardly see it, so that's really good. So there are different ways of cutting the lace. The two options I do is either I will put it on a surface and then cut it that way, or I cut it whilst on my head. Completely depends on, with me, on my mood and the wig itself. Always cut less lace off because you can always cut more later. If you cut too much, there is not an easy way to repair it. So always go in with caution. Always go in with very sharp scissors. I have these really sharp nail scissors that they are small, so I can kind of determine the cuts easier than if they were bigger. But you know, whatever works for you. So I pop it on the box it came in. If you still have some stray hairs, like I do here, you can always use some water to spray them backwards. But I don't mind cutting a little bit of them off because it then gives me a little bit of baby hairs as well. So I tend to cut it from the middle here. And just about a small finger width to the actual hairline. And then, weirdly, I then start on the side. And then I try not to be too straight with my line. Because if you have too much of a straight line, it can show up on your skin a bit more. So I do a little bit of a, almost like a weaving zigzaggy type of cut. And then I have this. What I then do, I will put it in the box that the wig came in. So if there are, for whatever reason, some repairs I need to do, I have the original lace. And that hopefully will help. I never had to do it, but I just keep it just in case. So, and then I do the other side. And then it looks like this. Hope you can see that right. Well, obviously I will put it on now. Like this. My 4-finger rule, yeah, it sits on the right place, and then this is what it looks like. So you now can't see the line at all where the lace is, I think. Anyway, so let me now take this all off so you get an idea of what it looks like. Now, I have not styled or washed this wig at all, so this is pretty much what it looks like straight out of the box, minus the lace being cut. So that's my next video, will be, I will wash it and then see what the hair quality is like. So once you wash it and the quality of the hair is exactly like it is now, which is soft, smooth, not very frizzy at all, then you know this is good quality hair. That's why you should always wash your human hair wigs straight away, so you get an idea of what the quality is like. And then obviously I will show you that, and then I will style it to my liking. I will probably just move this all up and away from the face because that's how I like my hair to sit. And yeah, I hope you are interested in all these videos. If you are, please like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram as well, where I will show the shorter versions of these. Have a lovely day. Any questions, any comments, just pop them down below. Bye.